In this video, I want to share with you 5 trending Black History Month niches and some free prompts to go along with those niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 5 trending Black History Month niches, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon and Etsy. So today is Monday, January 13th, 6:04 a.m. sitting at 0 sales. I actually already have a return, so not really the best way to start off the day. But yesterday I had a pretty good day. I did 51 sales, $55 in royalties. It was actually my best day of the month so far. First time doing over $50. But that is going to put me at 416 sales for the month and $413 in royalties for the month. And Etsy, I did 3 orders yesterday and $34 in revenue. I sold 1 mug. I sold 2 digital downloads. One was a wall art and the second one was a PNG bundle. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So a big holiday or niche that is coming up in February is going to be Black History Month. It does very well every year, and we can get sales in this niche. And I want to share with you 5 trending niches that I think have some good potential for us Merch by Amazon sellers. And if you're interested, you can actually download the prompts that I made for these niches for free. So 5, I didn't want to charge for it because it's only 5, so you can get it for free. Just click on the link in the description. So the first Black History Month niche I have for you is going to be this one right here, which is Black History is My Valentine's. And I really like this because we're taking 2 holidays and cross niches them together. Anytime you can take like something that's in the news and cross niche it with the upcoming holiday, you know, that can work well. So right here we have Black History is My Valentine. And when we pop that into Merch Dominator, hit merch and click on enter, just searching Merch by Amazon shirts, we're going to see. And I actually already did it. For some reason, the BSRs are taking kind of longer to load. So let me just pop on over to this one. So it's the same one right here. And we're going to see that there's only 173 results. And honestly, I think there are more results are populating just because of the keyword Black History and Valentine, because I only really saw 2, which is this one right here. Black History is My Valentine. And then also this one right here as well. So this could be a good one for us. When I searched down lower, I didn't really see any other ones. But again, taking Black History Month and cross niche with Valentine's Day, I think is very clever. You know, for this niche, Black History Month, I believe you're going to have to cross niche or niche down or just figure kind of like clever ways to find more niches that are more like specific. And if we go to IDEOGRAM right here, we can actually see the design that I made right here. So Black History is My Valentine. I think that turned out pretty nice. Here's the prompt. And I also went ahead and uploaded all these designs or niches onto my Creative Fabrica shop. So if you want, you can just come here and download and use these right here. So that's the first one. Next one is going to be Bro, I Am Black History. I'm just going to click on this so I can get the keyword. And I want to come back over to Merch Dominator. And I want to see what the competition is. Oh, whoops. Now, if you've been on Merch by Amazon for the past year or so, you've probably noticed that the keyword bro has been very popular as of late. You can just take, not any niche, but a lot of niches and just cross niche it with bro. And, you know, they're starting to sell. Seems to be more popular with like the younger kids, like the high school crowd, maybe. But if we type this keyword into Merch Dominator to take a look at the competition, we're going to see I'm only seeing 242 results. And again, this is kind of similar to like the last one, the Valentine's Day one, where I think there's just more results popping up because of the keyword Black History. Because when I scroll down and look, I'm not even really finding any except for this one right here. And we can see it was just uploaded last month, so right before Christmas. And it's already getting some sales. And again, it's because of this keyword bro right here, or bruh. That's how I guess you pronounce it. But if I scroll down, I'm not really seeing any other ones. Maybe if I go to newest, I might be able to see some more. Maybe I probably should have done that. Let's go ahead and do that instead. This is why I like Merch Dominator, because you can filter it like this. Let's see what pops up here. Take a quick sip of coffee. Okay, so here we've seen another one right here. Okay, so there are a couple more. Okay, so here we go. So it looks like there are some more. I guess I was wrong there, but again, good niche right here just because of the keyword bro. And again, not too many results. And again, I made a prompt. Whoops, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So it is this one right here, bro, I am Black History. And here is the design that I made on my Creative Fabrica shop. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So next one is going to be Dope Black Aquarius, and again we're cross niching here. So Aquarius is the astrological sign for January and February. So we're taking Black History Month and we're cross niching it with people that are Aquarius. And let's go ahead and click on that one. Let's get rid of these tabs because there's just too many open. I don't really like it like that. And jump back on over to Merch Dominator. Take a look at the competition. Let's go newest this time. And we're going to see, so it says 39 results. Let's just fact check that with Productor, but it doesn't want to load. Sometimes Productor, oh, there it goes. So, okay, so 39 results. So this one looks really low. And again, very specific. This is someone who wants to celebrate Black History Month, and that is also an Aquarius. I'm a Sagittarius, my sun is Pisces. Let's see if we got some BSRs here. So on the newest ones, the ones that just were recently uploaded just a couple days ago, not seeing anything. But if we go back to here and click on featured, we'll be able to see some that have some BSRs. So featured, click on that. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to populate. So right here, I know this one has been selling, this one as well. Okay, so right here we have unapologetically dope, so you don't have to do exactly like the words that I said, like right here, dope, black, and Aquarius. You can do other keywords as well. You can see this one has a really good BSR, 349, and this was uploaded, wow, just almost 10 days ago or so, if that's right. Okay, so that's a good option right there. This one, the BSR doesn't want to load, but I know it's got a good one. While that's loading, let's go ahead and take a look at the prompt. So the prompt for this one, Dope Black Aquarius. I was trying to get that border that you see a lot with this niche, but that's the prompt right there. And here is the design on my Creative Fabric shop. Let's go back here to see if it loaded. Yeah, so here we go. So here are the BSRs, 796. Now this one was uploaded many years ago. You can see here. That's why I like having Productor, because it shows us the date. But this one right here was just uploaded almost 10 days ago. Unapologetically Dope Gemini. So I guess you could do other astrological signs, but I just think Aquarius works best because that is for in between. I think it's like January 20th to February 20th, something like that. So it makes kind of more sense, but it looks like you can scale this niche as well and do other astrological signs like Gemini, Cancer, Libra, all the other 12 that are out there. Okay, next niche is going to be this one right here. Let me just go back to my Creative Fabrica shop so I can find it. It's going to be Black King or Black Queen. You know, you can, I was going to say scale it, but you can do both female and male. So Black King, the most powerful piece in the game. So back over here to Productor. The reason I did king instead of queen is because each time I did queen in IDEOGRAM, it kept showing me a king chess piece instead of a queen one. So I don't know what the problem was there. But Black King, the most powerful piece in the game. Let's see what we got here. And I'm also do queen as well. So Black Queen. Take a quick sip of coffee while it loads. So here we're kind of cross niching you know, Black History Month with chess. You know, and Black Queen is also a very popular keyword as well. So competition doesn't want to show. Let's go for Black King, see what we got here. So Black King only seen 130 results, so low in competition. Waiting for the BSRs to load. Here we go. So all in a million. Let's see if we have anything that was recently uploaded. Up top here. So not seeing, oh, this one, right? Oh no, that was last year. But we can see we got some good BSRs here and low competition. It's cross niche. Let's go ahead and take a look at Black Queen. I think Black Queen is probably going to be a little more competitive. Oh no, it's about the same. So Black Queen. Now you can do something kind of like this where it's gold, or you can do white, or you can do, you know, red, gold, and green. The one that I made was this one right here. So for ideogram, we're going to see, I think this one turned out pretty good. I did change the colors and make them just kind of more a little vibrant and pop more. So Black King, the most powerful piece in the game. Here's what the design looks like right here that I made. You can, you know, edit this design. You can change the colors if you want, make it look more like how you desire. All my designs on Creative Fabrica you can use for merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble and Etsy. But that is the fourth niche. And then the last one is going to be this one right here. This is actually my favorite one because it's a really good cross niche and it's a really good phrase. So I paused my game to celebrate Black History Month. And if you've been on merch by Amazon for a few years, you probably know that one of the best all-time niches ever is this video game niche that says, I pause my game to be here. If you look at some of the BSRs on some of those designs, you're going to see they're super low. So it's just really popular design. And what people started to do is they started taking that design phrase and they started cross-niching it with like upcoming holidays. So I pause my game to celebrate Christmas. I pause my game to celebrate Valentine's Day, you know, Earth Day, Easter. So here we're seeing it with I pause my game to celebrate Black History Month. And I got this from actually seeing the design I pause my game to celebrate Juneteenth, which is a very popular niche, but in June. And instead of doing Juneteenth, I did Black History Month. And to be honest, I don't even know if I think I saw any. So this could actually be the best one. So let's go back here to Productor. Let's go Featured, and then let's also go Newest. And let's see what we got here. Okay, so I thought I was the only one that thought of this, but no, I wasn't. Okay, so let's see the competition here. So 61 results, at least according to Amazon. Let's fact check it with Productor. So 59. Okay, so this looks like a really good one. Again, because of, you know, anytime you can take video games and cross-niche with an upcoming holiday, you know, that tends to be a good recipe for success. And then we're also using a very popular phrase that we've seen do very well over the years, which is I pause my game to, and then you just pop in the niche. So here are what some of the newer designs look like. And let's take a look at the featured one. So yeah, so not really seeing what I want here, but the newest BSRs are taking too long to upload. But while we're waiting, let's go ahead and take a look at the, oh, did it go? Yeah, so none have sold yet, but I think this is probably the best one. I think they're all good, but this is, I think, is my favorite. This one right here. So yeah, I did something like this. I just switched out Juneteenth with Black History Month. You can see how this sells well for that niche. But here is the design or the prompt right here. I mean, I think that turned out really nice. And I actually changed up some of the colors just to make it make a little more sense on the Creative Fabrica design here, where you have all the stars matching up and all the text the same colors right here. So that is the fifth niche for for Black History Month. And remember, if you want, you can actually download all these for free on my Pay Hip shop. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some resources that I like to recommend that I am personally using or actively using right here. These are all the affiliate links that I'm promoting. So the first one is going to be IDEOGRAM. So if you don't have IDEOGRAM, I would highly recommend it. For me, in my opinion, it has been a game changer. And if you sign up using my affiliate link right here, you actually get 100 priority prompts. So right here, if the person you invite with your affiliate link purchases a qualifying subscription, they will receive a one-time bonus of 100 priority prompts. So that's a cool little bonus that you get. And honestly, you know, you can just take screenshots of other niches that are doing well. You can kind of and upload that screenshot into IDEOGRAM, and you can switch up the prompt a little bit if you want, and you can get designs just like that. It's so quick, it's so easy. That is how I was able to create all of these designs right here for this niche. I use IDEOGRAM for all of them. You can see, I mean, they turned out pretty nice. These will definitely work and definitely get sales. Just got to get them in front of people. So that is IDEOGRAM. The next one is going to be Buy AI Prompts. And I'm actually running a sale for today only, where I'm offering 50% on all of my prompts. So the ones that I think would make the most sense is going to be 100 prompts for March. So instead of $10, it's only $5. This one's kind of past, I think, but we got St. Patrick's Day, 30 Mardi Gras prompts, 30 Valentine's Day prompts, and this one will probably be the best value. So 500 evergreen prompts. You can get it for only, $12.50. Usually I have it charged at 25, but that is going to be like 2.5 cents a prompt, I think is what the math comes out to. What I did is I took these prompts right here, these food prompts, these animal prompts, and these health prompts. I put it all together and I made this bundle. So check out these prompts, 50% off today only. I figured I'd offer a sale to you guys. Next one is going to be Merch Dominator and Flying Research. So these are the two research tools that I use for my Merch by Amazon business, and let me just show you real quick how I like to use it. So basically, I used to say that Flying Research was my favorite, but Merch Dominator is slowly becoming my favorite now because I just didn't really know how to use Merch Dominator. So the way I like to use it is go to MBA and KDP, click on bestsellers. Whoops, that is not correct. Oh no, that is correct. Yeah, bestsellers, and then I just leave it blank, and right here, the sorting, I just go to newest, hit search, and here we're going to see all the trending niches that are just recently out. So this is how I find trending niches right here. And another reason why I also really like it, and this is my favorite reason, is because this is how I check my competition. Just going to product search, like I just showed you. I'll just type in whatever niche, I pause my game to be here or whatever, and then I like to click on newest. And then if you click on Merch by Amazon shirts, it will show you the competition like I was just showing you earlier. So that is why I like Merch Dominator. They also have a really good extension. It almost does like too much. It's too complete. That's why I don't use it. I just use the Productor one. And then I also have Flying Research as well. The reason why I like Flying Research is because they do pretty much everything that Merch Dominator does, except for be able to check the competition. But they also give you that weekly newsletter every Friday, which I really like. I think is cool. So that's Flying Research. Next one is going to be Merch by Amazon course. So this is a course that I offer for beginners. So if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, stuck in tier 10, making less than like $100 a month, and you're looking for guidance on how to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I would highly recommend this course that I have for beginners. It's over like an hour of content. It's really going to break down like how to understand what niches sell, how to keep your account safe, how to design, how to do your keywords. So really good for beginners. If you're more advanced, I probably wouldn't recommend it, but if you're a beginner, definitely take a look at it. Next one is going to be Creative Fabrica. So if you want to get all of my designs, or all of the designs on Creative Fabrica, you can sign up to Creative Fabrica using my affiliate link. You get like a whole year for only $3.99 a month. Or if you just want to support me and follow me on Creative Fabrica, this is my Creative Fabrica shop. I got 273 followers, and I'm also offering my prompts on here as well. So if you just go to add-ons, so which is it right here? Actions and presets. I'm also offering my prompts on here as well. So you can get all my prompts. So that's my Creative Fabrica shop. And then my last is going to be Pretty Merch. So if you want to sign up and get the nice dashboard like this, where you could see what your sales are looking like, get your analytics. So here you can see like how you've been doing the previous year, last 90 days, custom. It's really, really helpful. And then the last one is going to be niches or affiliate links for Etsy. So EVERBEE is by far the best research tool. If you're serious about Etsy, you have to have EVERBEE, mandatory in my opinion. Really going to show you what is selling. And then also Printful. So Printful is who I use to fulfill all my t-shirts, mugs, stickers, hoodies, things like that for Etsy. All right. So if you're interested in these resources that I'm actively using, check them out. Or if you just want to support me. But that is going to be it for today's video. Today is Monday. My son goes back to school today. I start going back to the gym today. I actually took 3 weeks off of the gym because of the holidays, and I also got sick last week. The diet starts today, so I'm pumped up for this Monday. Let's go. But I hope you guys have a great week. Next video will be out on Wednesday, and I will see you guys then. All right. Have a good one, and adios.